When you want to do something, so you should believe on ourselves. Today, I am going to tell you something. Krishna say, the one who explain even the smallest thing to you, that person truly want to stay in your life. Krishna said that you do not have to think about the reward that you get after complete work. You should focus on your work. You should be honest toward your work. You will surely achieve your goal. If you have a dream but you don't want to put effort, your dream remain dream. That will never become truly. So what I am telling you guys, if you want to become better future, if you want to success in your career, so stop comparing yourself to other. Because when we compare to ourselves other, that time we kill our self-confidence. So what I personally believe, which I always share through the video, but most of the people, they don't want to understand. It's all right. What I know, I always share through the video so that you can also reach your goal. I know everybody has a dream, but none of us want to work hard.